Okay guys, we're back on the 2023 BMS 700 here, the LSX I believe it is. I just wanted to show you real quick how to do a coolant pressure test. So first thing you do is make sure that your reservoir is low. This one is not now, but if you have a coolant leak, this is going to be low. When you do your pressure test at AutoZone, O'Reilly's, Napa, you can get a pressure tester for about $69. And actually they have a rental tool. You can rent it and return it when you're done. But you're simply just going to put it on here. You're going to pressure it up. But before you do that, get a small pair of ice grips or a C-clamp or something and plug this hole to the reservoir, or you will get a false reading. So plug this hose right here, pressure test this, pump it up. Don't go over about 10 pounds. I would do 8 to 10 pounds. A normal car, you can do about 14 pounds because what you don't want to do is blow a head gasket. So keep it at about 8 pounds would be just fine for this. So pump it up to 8 pounds and then just sit patiently, look underneath, watch for leaks. With that pressure, you will have a leak. You will find out where that coolant's going, and then simply make that repair. Could be a radiator hose, could be a hole in the radiator. Hopefully it's not for you. But I hope this video helps you out. Please click like, please click subscribe, click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.